Hi friends, this is Sadia from scholarshipshort.com. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about Rotary Peace Fellowships, its benefits, eligibility criteria, and step-by-step application procedure. Friends, if you want to read about the scholarship in more details, the link of the scholarship is in the description box below. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification about latest videos on scholarship. With that being said, let's get started. Friends, each year Rotary awards up to 130 fully funded fellowships for dedicated leaders from around the world to study at one of their peace centers. The Rotary Peace Fellowship is designed for leaders with vast experience in peace and development. Their fellows are committed to community and international service and the pursuit of peace. Each year, the Rotary Foundation awards up to 50 fellowships for master's degree and 80 for certificate studies at premium universities. Friends, these fellowships are offered to pursue a professional development certificate program or master's degree program related to peace and conflict resolution and prevention. The Rotary offers fully funded scholarships, which includes tuition and fees, room and board, round-trip transportation, and all internship and field study expenses. Now, let's talk about institutes for Rotary Peace Fellowships. Duke University and University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, USA. International Christian University, Japan. University of Bradford, England. University of Queensland, Australia. Uppsala University, Sweden. Chulalongkorn University, Thailand. Makerere University, Uganda. Friends, one important point that needs to be mentioned here is fellowship recipient may not study at a Rotary Peace Center in their home country, with the exception of candidates from Thailand. Yes, the Thailand candidates may attend the center at Chulalongkorn University. The Rotary Peace Fellowships facilitates you to study in USA, Japan, UK, Australia, Sweden, Thailand, and Uganda. Program period 15 to 24 months for master's degree program and 3 months for professional development certificate program. Deadline to apply for Rotary Peace Fellowship is May 15th. Number of scholarships. As I have mentioned earlier, each year Rotary awards up to 130 fellowships, from which 15 fellowships are for master's degree and 80 for certificate studies at premier universities. Now let's talk about courses offered. Peace, international development, leadership. These are the areas in which Rotary offers fellowship. Rotary Peace Fellowships are fully funded, which covers tuition and fees, room and board, round-trip transportation, all internship and field study expenses. Now we will talk about eligibility criteria. Rotary Peace Fellowships are designed for professionals with work experience in international relations and peace and conflict prevention and resolution. Applicants must also meet the following requirements. All world countries are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Proficiency in English is must. Proficiency in a second language is strongly recommended. Excellent leadership skills, strong commitment to international understanding and peace as demonstrated through professional and academic achievements and personal or community service. Master's degree applicants must have 3 years of related work, full-time work or volunteer work experience. They should also have a bachelor's degree. Certificate applicant must have 5 years of related full-time work or volunteer experience, and they should also have strong academic background. Friends, you can also check if you are eligible for this scholarship through this eligibility quiz. You can click on this link on our website and check if you are eligible for this scholarship. Now let's talk about the application procedure. To apply for Rotary Peace Fellowships, you must review the application guideline. Link is on our website. You can check application guidelines from here. And please also check the eligibility requirements and restrictions. Research the curriculum and programs at each of the Rotary Peace Centers. You will be asked to rank 2 centers you prefer. Next, you have to prepare your application, including your resume, essay, academic or professional recommendations, transcripts, and test scores. All materials must be in English. For certificate studies, transcripts and scores are not needed. You have to contact your local Rotary district before submitting your application to request an interview. District endorsement is a required component of the application process. Your local Rotary Club can help you connect with your district. You can use this link to locate the local club near you. Club interviews and recommendations are strongly encouraged but not required for candidates who have a district sport. Before any interview, submit your online application to your district by 15th May. You can click on this link to apply online. Let's first complete all the application steps, then we will go through this link and I will show you how to apply online. Next step in this process will be an interview with the district representative. District must submit endorsement to the Rotary Foundation by 1st July. Await notice of the selection result in November. If you are chosen for a fellowship, you will be told at which peace center you will study. Apply for admission to the university where your peace center is located. One important point here, friends, please note it down. Being selected for the fellowship does not mean you have been admitted to the university. You have to apply for the university after being selected for Rotary Peace Fellowship. Now let's apply online for the Rotary Peace Fellowships. Click on this link. This will take you to login form. If you haven't created your account, first you have to create that. Click on register. This will take you to the registration form. Please provide your email ID and password, your first name, last name, and click on register. First section here is application overview. This overview provides details about the information and supporting documents you will need to complete each section of the application. Reviewed timeline and tips to strengthen your application. Please review this information carefully before beginning your application. Friends, the important thing in Rotary Peace Fellowship is the eligibility criteria. Please go through the eligibility quiz to know if you are eligible for this fellowship. Please go through all these sections carefully: eligibility and qualification, candidate certificate, personal information and program selection, etc. I have mentioned the summary of all these points in my video. For more detailed information, you can read this on official website. Now let's click on qualification and eligibility. Friends, on this page, you have to determine eligibility for the Rotary Peace Fellowships. Like, you have to mark from ranking 1 to 5 plus. The question that has been asked here is how many years of full-time work experience do you have relevant to the field of peace and development? You can choose from the radio buttons 1 to 5 plus. Similarly, have you ever been a member of Rotary Club? Is your mother, father, legal guardians or grandparent a member of Rotary Club? Have you ever worked as an employee for a Rotary Club, Rotary District or Rotary International or other Rotary entities? Have you ever completed the Rotary Peace Fellowships or been a recipient of the Rotary Global Grant Scholarship or District Scholarship? Are any of the following countries your home country? Do you have a bachelor's degree? Are you proficient in reading, writing, listening, and speaking the English language? Friends, fill this form and then save, click next. Next section is candidate certificate. You have to read these terms and conditions, and at the end you have to uh, signature. You have to provide your signatures, type your full legal name and date. You have to mention date here as well. Next section is personal information. Please provide your personal information on this form about your genders, your preferred fonts, contact information, permanent address, etc. After filling, go to the next section, which is program selection. You have to provide for which program you are going to apply for this Rotary Peace Fellowships. Either it is master's degree or certificate program. For master's degree, you have to provide your preferences. First preference and second preference for the Rotary Peace Centers. Once saved, click next, that is District Finder. You have to mention the name of the district, name and email ID. You can use the below list of Rotary districts to identify your appropriate district contact. Save and next. Relevant experience. You have to mention how many years of full-time work experience in peace and development do you have. Please include all professional and volunteer work in this total. Your current position, previous position. You have to upload your CV. After providing this information, click on Save and Next. Next section is about education. How many institutes of higher education you have attended. You have to provide transcripts as well. Undergraduate transcript or any additional if you have to upload here. If you have already earned a graduate degree, master's or doctoral, in the field relevant to peace studies and conflict resolution or international relationship and development, you can also write this information on this section. Next is cross-cultural experience. Have you ever lived, studies or volunteer in another country? Have you ever experienced prepared you to study abroad? You have to mention on this section. Now let's go through the next section, which is languages. Native language. How many non-native languages do you have? Please provide this information according to your status. Essay. Next section is essay. Provide a personal statement detailing your demonstrated commitment to peace and international development, as well as your rationale for applying to the 2022 Rotary Peace Fellowship. You have to provide an essay here that must be up to minimum 300 and maximum 500 words. Second essay which is required in this application is Rotary embodies the concept of service above self. Apply this concept to the project or initiative you led. This is the topic of the second essay. Similarly, 300 minimum words and up to 500 maximum. Please fill Rotary Peace Center preference in program selection form to continue with. Okay, once you have entered your preference, Rotary Peace Center preferences, then the third essay will be related to that, maybe to that center. That will appear after that. Okay, essay number 4 is about how will the Rotary Peace Fellowship strengthen the impact of your work as a peace and development professional. How will this impact further the Rotary Foundation's mission? Fifth one is discuss your academic research and interest in peace and development. These essays are very important in this application procedure and in the selection procedure. Next section is about recommendations. Recommendation registration. You are required to submit 2 recommendations. For the master's degree program, you are required to submit 1 professional recommendation and 1 academic recommendation. Okay, you have to fill this form according to the recommenders. You can also provide an optional Rotary Club recommendation here. That's all, friends. In the end, you will review your application and submit. That's all for the Rotary Peace Fellowships. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos related to scholarship, and also visit our website scholarshipabroad.com to know about latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you, friends.